A power-on stall can occur if you attempt to lift off and climb out at an airspeed below that normally used for takeoff, or if you use too high of a pitch attitude when trying to clear an obstacle. As with power-off stalls, learning to recognize the sensations and visual cues that precede a power-on stall will help you avoid accidentally entering into one. Remember, you should practice stalls at an altitude that allows recovery at least 1,500 feet above the ground. After the area is cleared, reduce power. And as the airplane is slowing to liftoff speed, lower the flaps if appropriate. As the airspeed decreases, increase back pressure to maintain your altitude. When the airspeed has decreased to near liftoff speed, simultaneously add back pressure as you advance the power to the takeoff or climb setting recommended by the manufacturer. The power-on stall is initially performed with the wings level, but to simulate a turn after takeoff, your instructor will also have you enter a 20-degree bank to the left or right. Remember, as you add power and continue to increase back pressure, you must compensate for the airplane's left-turning tendencies by keeping the airplane in coordinated flight. The pitch attitude for a power-on stall will be much higher than for a power-off stall. But, like the power-off stall, you will feel the characteristic buffet just before it occurs. Since you still have control of the airplane at this point, recovery from the near stall condition can be made by decreasing the pitch attitude as you apply any remaining power. Then the wings should be rolled level. When there is no danger of a secondary stall, return to straight and level flight or a climb by retracting the flaps if they were used. However, if you don't recover at that point, the airplane will stall and the pitch attitude will decrease abruptly because of the excessive nose-high attitude. If the airplane is not in coordinated flight when the stall occurs, one wing may stall first, causing a sudden roll as the nose pitches down. If the airplane is slipping to the inside of the turn, the upper wing will stall first. In this case, the airplane might roll in the opposite direction, lessening the bank angle. Conversely, if the airplane is skidding to the outside of the turn, the lower wing will tend to stall first. This results in a steeper bank. If the airplane is properly coordinated, it will pitch down with approximately the same amount of bank. Therefore, you should work to keep the aircraft in coordinated flight as you practice any power-on stalls.